Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make a Wattpad book cover. So there are a lot of websites where you can make a Wattpad book cover. I'm just using Canva. For that, you can just go to Chrome or Google in your device or canva.com. I'm suggesting you to create an account in Canva. Now in the Canva, in the top search bar, search for book cover. After that, just click on this one. Now here you can see there are a lot of book covers. You can just select any. I'm just selecting this one. After selecting the book, you can just change the name of the book by clicking this and give yours name. You can also change the author name and give your name. You can also change the photo of the book. You can also add some effects by clicking here this option. Or you can just not give it. You can also apply some filters by clicking this. After all these edits, you can just click in the this three dot icon, and here you can see this in the middle download option. Click on it. Here you can see the file type. Just click on here and select the first JPG or the second PNG and click on download option, the purple one. Here you can see the book cover is downloading. Just hold on. After it is downloaded, just go to Wattpad and click on the top right profile icon. You can just select your published story. Here you can see edit story cover. Just click on it. Select gallery and you can just add the cover. So guys, that's how you can make a Wattpad book cover. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.